In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove blank spaces in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're preparing a document for a presentation or just tidying up your PDF, eliminating those unsightly gaps can make a huge difference. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Adobe Acrobat and have your PDF document ready. Once you have your document open, navigate to the main menu where you'll see an option labeled All Tools. Click on this to expand the list of available tools. Here, you're looking for the Edit a PDF option. This feature is specifically designed to let you modify the content within your PDF, making it the ideal tool for our task today. After selecting Edit a PDF, the next step is to focus on the content section. This is where you gain control over the various elements of your document. To proceed, click and drag your cursor to select the blocks of text or images that are positioned right below the blank space you wish to eliminate. This can include paragraphs, images, or any other content that you want to move upwards to fill the gap. Once you have the content selected, it's time to close that unwanted gap. You can either use your keyboard's up arrow key to nudge the selection upwards, or click and drag the selection with your mouse. As you do this, you'll notice Acrobat's smart guides coming to your aid. These guides are designed to help keep your content aligned neatly, ensuring that your document maintains a professional look. As you move the content upwards, pay attention to the alignment markers. These guides are incredibly helpful in making sure everything lines up perfectly, so your document doesn't just look organized but also stays easy to read. If you're working with a lot of content or a particularly large gap, you might need to repeat this step a couple of times, gently moving sections until the space is completely gone. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully removed those pesky blank spaces and polished up your PDF document. Remember, keeping your documents clean and well organized not only improves readability, but also leaves a great impression on anyone you share them with. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of Adobe Acrobat and your other software tools. Happy editing!